Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and I'm going to be showing you how to recreate this very warm date night look. And yeah, this can be worn on Valentine's Day or just any old date night. I know it's not anywhere near Valentine's Day right now, but if you want to hold off this video and save it on like a playlist for a Valentine's look for later, for next year, you can do that. Or if you want to use this for any type of date night look. But yeah, all I did was use the Modern Renaissance palette for the purplish mauve looking shade, which you can just use whatever palette you have that has a more lightish mauve looking purple, or you can use a light colored pink to substitute that eyeshadow. But the rest of the eyeshadows, I was using my new Morphe 3502 palette. And yeah, I absolutely love this date night eyeshadow look. And yeah, if you want to see what all I used and how I used them, then just keep on watching. Oh yeah, before I get into this video too much, I do want to say that I do have a giveaway going on my channel soon. Not right now, but I'm going to upload that video the 26th of this month. It's going to be 1 p.m. Central Time, so stay tuned for that. I will have the Morphe 3502 palette in that giveaway. This one is mine, but yours is in a box already getting ready for y'all. But yeah, I used a bunch of these colors in this eyeshadow look today, and I'm debating on, cause see, I didn't think about it, but I ordered an extra Morphe setting spray. This one's mine, but I do have another one in the box. But since that giveaway will be international, I don't know if that one's going to be kept in there or not. It depends on the winner, I guess, if it will be in there or not, and I'll just replace it with something else if it is someone that I can't ship it to. And then there's a bunch of summer things in that giveaway. I'm not doing a sneak peek on this giveaway just because I already have the box completely full, ready for a winner. So, but yeah, the 26th, I will have that giveaway. It's a summer giveaway gonna go on. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison, and I'm going to show you how to do this little eyeshadow look. Yeah, so I wanted to do a different type of date night makeup or eyeshadow look for you guys. Pretty much, I don't normally do more than one eyeshadow all over my eyelid unless I'm like doing something and I have like 1 or 2 hours to spare just to play with my makeup. Normally I just use one color, but this one is still simple, but you do use like, I think like 5 different shades, maybe a little bit more, but it's an interesting date night look. It's a little bit different than what I do normally, but I do like to do this one. This is normally like a go-to for like when I feel like I want to be, normally this would be a great eyeshadow look for like Valentine's Day date night or something like that, which I know it's not anywhere near Valentine's Day, but yeah. So I'm using the Modern Renaissance palette and the Morphe 3502 palette. I will have everything listed down in my description box below, along with the other stuff that will be on my face. But yeah, let's just get into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is use this Milani eyeshadow primer. I really love this eyeshadow primer, but it doesn't like have a lot of coverage, so I will be combining this Tarte Shape Tape to put it on top to set my base. So after I make a nice base with those two products, I will go in with my Tarte Confidence Creamy Powder Foundation, and I will just set it with that. After that, I am going to go in with my Morphe 3502 palette. But yeah, I'm going to start off with using ORB, I think it's Orb, and it's this warm orangish looking shade right here. And I'm just going to put that all around my crease area. Then blend it out. And then I'm going to go in with this warm ash brown color in the color Stone. And I'm going to put that on the outer V and also in the crease. Now after that, I'm going to mix a couple colors. I'm going to mix Chestnut and Heat to make a very vibrant burgundy looking color. This is Chestnut and this is Heat. I'm going to combine both of those and put it on the outside V also, just to make it more of a reddish burgundy tone. Alright, after that I'm going to go in with my Modern Resonance palette, and I wanted a mauve, like light purplish looking color, so I'm going to go to, I think it's called Buon Fresco, I'm not sure, but that is the color right here. And I'm going to put that in like the center of the eye right there. And I'm just going to pack on that color as much as possible. And then I'm going to blend it together. I'm going back in with the Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm using this shimmery champagne color, like a gold shimmery champagne color, and it's called Pure, and it's this color right here. And I'm going to just put that on the inside of my eye, like the corner of my eye, and I'm just going to pack the color on. Right after that, we are just going to go in with that same Pure color and put it on the brow bone, like around your eyebrow, just to make that like a highlighted area. Alright, after all that, you can clean it up like I do. I'm going to use the Burt's Bees Facial Cleansing Towelettes, Sensitive Skin, and I'm going to clean up the area just so I can get that little cut that you can see here. That way it's easier for me to judge my eyeliner. Right, now I'm going to do my eyeliner, and I'm using the Kix Eyeliner Intense Definition. Next, I'm going to go in with my Kix Darling False Lash Extreme Volume and Length Mascara and coat my lashes before doing falsies. Alright, after that I'm going in with these lashes. I already cut one down to fit my eye, which is this one, but this is what the lashes look like. I got mine from Wish. I will have that link down below. Like I said, it was a case of 80, and this is one of the styles that's in it. It has like 10 different styles. And I'm also going in with the Kiss Lash Strip Adhesive Clear eyelash glue, but I wouldn't recommend this one. I would go with the Ardell one over this, but this is what I have in my collection that I'm going to use up. Right, as I let the lash glue dry, I'm going in with basically the same color layout and going around my lower lash line, which I normally would do this after I do all my foundation and stuff, but since I'm trying to get this video as short as possible, I'm just going to do it now, and then I'll practically redo it when I go to put on the rest of my makeup. I just want to let you know how I do each step for the eye look. So I'm going to start off with the inner corner using that pure color from the Morphe 3502 palette. And I'm just putting it on the inside corner of my eye, like so. Then I'm going in with that same eyeshadow from the Modern Renaissance palette. I think it's called Beyond Fresco. And putting that in the center on my lower lash line. And then I'm going in with that those brighter, warmer colors, the from the Morphe 3502 palette, the Chestnut and Heat color, and putting that on the outside edge. And I'm also going right through here to kind of do that smoky effect look and tie the look together. And I'm going to deepen it up even more using that same stone color from the Morphe palette. Alright, since the eyelash glue has dried, I'm going back in with my Kix eyeliner and just making sure it's as black as possible with my eyeliner. And also going over any whitish looking colors from the lash glue. This is the main part I don't like about the Kiss eyelash glue, is it doesn't really dry clear. It kind of stays white. Now I'm going to make sure my eyeliner is dry. I'm going to go back over my lower lashes with my mascara, just because the eyeshadow kind of covered it up a little bit. Alright, that's basically how I make this eyeshadow look using the Morphe 3502 palette and also a little bit of the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. If you don't have the Modern Renaissance palette, you probably can try to find a lightish mauve looking light purplish color from other drugstore brands, just so you can create this look. But really, you probably can create this look using like a lightish pink color, just to put right there, and it'll still look really good. You could also use a bunch of warmish tones, and yeah, there's a lot of palettes with these similar eyeshadows that you can recreate this look. You don't have to buy these palettes to create this makeup look. So yeah, alright, I'll be back with you after I do my foundation and all my face makeup, and I'll do my intro and outro. Alright, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. You did see me in a little clip trying out this Giorgio Armani Powder Fabric Longwear High Coverage Foundation for the first time. I just got it. You saw me unbox it and try it on for the first time. Like, I know there's a lot of people out there that's really hesitant on buying it because it is a $64 foundation. I know this video doesn't have anything to do with it. In my opinion, first impressions, you can skip out on this. I do like it. Like, it looks really good, especially after I put powder on and my setting spray. But this is what the finish looks like. You can still see my freckles through it, so I wouldn't say it's high coverage at all. I would say medium, but it is like a matte foundation, and I do have dry skin. I did see it cleaned to dry patches just a little bit, but not too bad. It didn't make my skin like look really dried out. It is a nice matte foundation, but it is really high price. In my opinion, you probably can skip out on it, but I'm going to keep it because I do really enjoy it. like so far, first impression. It looks beautiful on my skin. Like you can see the little texture right here where my like dried out breakouts are. So I don't know, I like it, but would I repurchase? Probably not, just for first impressions, but it is a nice matte foundation for dry skin. It cleans a little bit, but not too bad like most matte foundations do for me. But if you're really curious and you want to try it out yourself, I definitely say, you know, you can add it to your collection. It is a very nice foundation, but if you're debating on it, is it really worth the $64? Do I have to have it? Then probably not. I hope that helps. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this eyeshadow look. It is a go-to date night look for me. I've been doing a lot of date night looks on my channel. Sorry about that, but I mean, where else are you going to go out with a bunch of makeup like I am today? So, I mean, you can wear it every day. It is a beautiful, like, summery date night look. And like I said before, I do have a giveaway going to go on my channel the 26th of this month. So stay tuned for that. I will upload it at 1 p.m. Central Time, the 26th. And I do have the Morphe palette in it, and the Morphe setting spray, and a bunch of other stuff, but I'll have that in the giveaway. I will have to hold off on the setting spray if I cannot ship since it is like an aerosol can, I probably won't be able to ship it to everywhere, but I can just replace that with something else. But yeah. But anyways, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you buddies next time. Bye!